So now that all of it is filled, I just keep planting. I just keep putting any seed of my choice and get it ready. These are the one I already did for yesterday. I already put my peppers in there. These are peppers already ready to start. I cover them so that it can have some form of no lights for the first few days. And I will cover up this one too. You could use anything you have in the house. You don't need to go buy anything new or anything special. I have these from the dollar store. I think the whole thing was a pack of 12 for $1 from last year, and it was on clearance 50% off, and I have it over time, and I just kept it and I reuse it every year. So use whatever. And then these are reused pans from my cooking. Use whatever your hands can find, and let's get this planting season going. You could plant anything of your choice. I really don't want to buy anything that is already planted this year. I just want to start from seeds all over. My pepper, my flowers, everything from seeds. Alrighty, thank you so much. We're going to have a great planting year. Follow through. Ibile, thank you. Bye-bye.